this is the result after about say 3 weeks. Few cuttings that I had planted here, they have died out, and these have remained and these have thrived and these have grown to be flavorful mint plants, and I have kept them in the succulent shelf that I have, so it receives bright indirect light, and early in the morning it receives bright light. So once your cuttings start rooting, you can place them in well draining soil and keep the soil moist, not soggy, not too dry also, because mint likes humid conditions. So I hope you found this video useful. For any queries, don't feel hesitant to comment below and share your experiences and share your questions with me. Thanks for watching.